This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. But I'm going to talk about our market right now, and I'm going to talk about what we have. First of all, this month we currently have 7,399 single-family homes available. We have 2,869 under contract right now, and we have 2,028 that have sold in the last 30 days, and that's single-family homes. That's an absorption rate of 3.65. Once again, absorption rate is the number of months it takes to sell the current inventory we have. So you just take the number of homes sold in the last 30 days, take the number of available homes, and you divide the two, and that tells you it takes 3.65 months to sell those 7,399 listings we have right now. Now, in addition to that, I brought some other charts, and I'm going to talk about these. The first is, and this relates to our market as it's becoming more normal right now. We're going away from a strong seller's market to a more normal market. And the first chart I'm going to show you is a graph showing the number of months of inventory that we have. I just told you I have 3.6. They're showing 3.2 on this graph, but we're a little bit beyond that now. But you can take a look at this graph, and what you're going to see is that number was down for quite some time. That number was way down in late 16, throughout 17. It's coming back up to 3 months. And when you look at the history of our market going back to 2009, you can see it's gone much higher than that, and it's been lower like it was recently. It's been lower before as well. So, but the amount of homes in the inventory is one of the dramatic changes we're seeing. We were at the same level for a long time. We've seen it increase over the last few months. The second chart is, again, relates to the available properties. And what it does is it shows you how many homes have been out there for a long time. Like for over 120 days on market, DOM is days on market. Over 120 days, we have almost 1,200 homes have been out there for more than 120 days. That's a long time for a home to be on the market. Certainly in the previous rendition of our market, and right now maybe it's a little more normal. This is our stack chart. I think I share this with you guys just about every month. It shows that we're just a little behind last year in terms of the volume we're doing for the year. Again, single-family residential closings. We're just a little behind last year. Still a good year overall. One of the better years we've had, but just a little behind last year. And then here, this is a chart I like, this pie chart, which shows closings by type, and it's emphasizing distressed sales versus what we would call normal equity sales. And currently, you only have 1.6 of the market is REO or foreclosures, bank-owned homes, and only 1.2% is short sales. That's really, really low. It's been low for the last several months, and it's just staying at a very, very small number. So there's when you look for distressed properties, you're not going to see much. And what that means is one of the things it means is when you're looking to buy an REO or a short sale, looking to get a great deal on one of those specifically, it may not be as good as it was before because there's not as much competition for those. And so they're looking for retail. The banks are looking for retail value, I think. By sold terms, what we're seeing is that this is a pie chart showing how people are buying the properties. And this is by conventional financing. Half the market is by conventional financing. A quarter of it's by cash. And the last quarter is divided amongst FHA and VA and a little bit of other, maybe owner carrier, things of that nature.
This has been Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Thanks for listening. And remember to tune in every Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. on 101.5 FM, 720 a.m. KDAWN.